All right, hello and welcome to May 27th, Algebra 2. We are going to be doing something a little different today. We kind of had some extra days here. So yesterday we did the prisoner's dilemma thing, and today I'm going to introduce you to something called computer science. And then specifically, we're going to learn how to program a little bit. The story behind this is back when I was in high school, I liked math a lot. I knew it was something that I liked and enjoyed doing, but I didn't really know a lot of different jobs you could go into with math. So I ended up being a computer programmer just because I thought that was one field where you can apply your math skills. So I now teach a class here at the high school on computer science, and so I thought I would intro a little bit about the topic for those of you that might be interested in taking the class here or pursuing it beyond high school. I think it's a really strong job field. It's something I really enjoyed doing, so I'm kind of passionate about it, and I thought since we had some extra time, I'd introduce it to you. So I have just a few stats about computer science. So one thing, it's pretty fun class. Okay, so it's kind of sad here. You can see math is not an exciting, enjoyable one, but computer science is one that can be pretty fun. So especially once you get the hang of it, you get to see your own creations come to life, right? Like you can make the computer do pretty much whatever you want, do your math homework, your science homework, all sorts of fun things. So um, yeah, so it's kind of interesting. That's one of the reasons why I think it's a good thing to learn. Other one is it's huge. Think of all the phone apps, the websites, the cybersecurity. It's just everywhere. So the fact that there's going to be tons of people that they need tons of people to do this. Like they say, 500,000 job openings. And it's all different fields, right? It's not just the computer field. Like it's changing agriculture, it's changing fashion, it's changing sports. So like you can end up doing this, in lots of different fields. Yeah, depending on no matter what you want to go in, it's still a useful skill. Also, I don't believe money is everything, but certainly it's a really high paying major. In fact, the last time I looked, it was like the number one rated paying college major. And this is certainly true of me. I had a job halfway through my senior year of college, and I was making tons of money. Well, relatively speaking, but definitely more than I was making as a teacher. So, it's a strong job field, and I tell students if you can master it and figure it out, you pretty much guarantee yourself a job probably for the rest of your life because this computer stuff's only getting more popular with time. Okay, so that's just a little bit of introduction information. Up next for you, I have a video that explains a little more about computer science. Um, and then from there, it's not in the folder yet here, but I'm going to walk you through how to make a program. So you're going to use this link here to actually write the code. We're going to write it in a web browser, and then there'll be a video that explains how to create your first program. So that's what's coming next. So watch this video next, and then there'll be a video here about how to make your first program. Thanks.